Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm gonna recreate this look and I have created this look for Durga Puja Navami. This look is very beautiful, very gorgeous, something which you can wear both in the day and night. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching the video till the end. And if you have yet not watched the other looks of Durga Puja, make sure you watch it. I'll provide the link in the description box below. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First, I'm freshening up my face a little bit with the Fab India Tea Tree Toner. And then to get the glow from within, I'm using a serum, and this is the Drops of Light serum from the Body Shop. Just pouring it all over my face and then dabbing it into my skin. Then prepping and priming my face with Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. Since my face tends to become oily after some time, I'm putting this primer all over my face. And spot correcting my dark spots with the Color Essence Concealer Stick in the shade Beige. I'm dabbing it wherever I have spots and pigmentation. Also applying it on my dark circles and also on the eyelids to make a base for the eyeshadow. Now setting the concealer with a compact powder so that it doesn't move around with the foundation. And for that I'm using my MAC Studio Fix Foundation Plus Compact, and I'm in the shade NC41. For foundation, I am using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation and I am in the shade 106 Sun Beige. Dotting it all over my face with my fingers and then blending it with a damp beauty blender. And then setting the foundation with the same compact powder. Before starting with the eye makeup, I am doing my eyebrows with the Maybelline Fashion Pro Cream Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. Just filling up my eyebrows and keeping it quite natural. For my eye makeup today, I am using Maybelline The Nudes palette and taking this shade from the palette and blending the crease and using it as a transition shade. Next, taking this glittery bronzy shade and filling up my entire lid with a flat brush. And then blending the harsh edges with a clean fluffy brush. Next, taking this ashy grey shade and I'm placing it on the outer V of my eyes for that smoked out effect. Next, taking this glittery gold shade and just placing it on the center of the lid for that glam eye look. And again blending everything out with a clean fluffy brush. Then taking the same golden shimmery shade, I am putting it on the inner corner of my eyes and on my brow bones. Now taking the shimmery bronzy shade which I already used before, and with the help of a pencil brush, I am putting it on my lower lash line. For eyeliner, I am using the Nykaa Black Magic eyeliner in this shade Super Black and making a small wing with it. Now to contour the hollows of my cheek, my hairline and my jawline, I am using the Wet n Wild Contour Palette in the shade Dulce de Leche. For blush, I am using this shade from the Oddbo palette, and there is a very vibrant warm undertone shade. I want a very subtle highlight going on in my face, something like a from the within glow. And for that I am using the Maybelline Master Strobing Cream in the shade Nude. I am putting it on the usual high points of my face, the bridge of my nose, my chin and the Cupid's bow. And then with the Plum Kajal, I am tightlining my lower waterline. And then mascarifying my eyes with the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. For lipstick, I am using this gorgeous shade from the Maybelline Creamy Matte Collection, and the shade is called Divine Wine. This shade is a kind of burgundy wine shade and is extremely gorgeous. and is an absolute must-have for festive season. Then setting my makeup with the Wet n Wild makeup setting spray in natural finish. And this is the final look that I have created today. Just pair it with the right jewelries and you'll be good to go. I hope you liked this look and enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to put a big fat thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.